Good afternoon to all. Today we will discuss lecture number 9 of Weekly Current Affairs, and the question was related to 1st December to 7th December 2025, right? There are a collection of 100 questions during this period, but we will try to discuss this lecture in two parts, from first to 50 questions and then 51 to 100 questions, right? So see, what was the question of the day? Question of the day is, who released India Space Innovation Index 2025? Question of the day is, who released India Space Innovation Index 2025? And your option is ISRO, Niti Aayog, DRDO and NSIL. You have to reply this question during the class, right? Otherwise, this question will come during the class. We will answer at that time. Come to the questions. Question number 1. Come to the question. What is the question number 1? See on the slide. Question number 1 is, which country launched the world's first AI-powered global climate risk award? World's first AI-powered global climate risk radar in 2025. Right? Your option is USA, UK, Germany and France. The correct answer is Germany. Correct answer is Germany. Which Indian institute recently established Quantum Agriculture Research Hub? Right? Quantum Agriculture Research Hub has been established by IISc, Bangalore, IIT Kanpur, ICI, TIFR. Correct answer is IISc, Bangalore. Right? Indian Institute of Science. Question number 3. Which organization released Global Migration Outlook 2026 in December 2020? Which organization released Global Migration Outlook 2026? Correct answer is IOM. IOM is the correct answer. With which country did India sign the Cyber Security Corridor Agreement in December 2025? Right? With which country did India sign the Cyber Security Corridor Agreement? So, Cyber Security Corridor Agreement has been signed between India and Singapore. Cyber Security Corridor Agreement. What was India's rank in the Global Water Security Index? The rank of India's, what was the rank of India in the Global Water Security Index 2025? India's rank is 63. India's rank is 63rd. Which state launched the Green ATM pilot project in 2025? Maharashtra has launched this one. Maharashtra has launched the Green ATM pilot project in 2025. Asian Development Outlook Update, right? Asian Development Outlook Update published in December 2025 is the report of which organization? Very simple, you can correlate with the options. Your option is IMF, ADB, AIIB, World Bank. ADB is extended as Asian Development Bank. So, the correct answer will be Asian Development Outlook is released by ADB. The headquarters of ADB is Manila, is the capital of Philippines, right? India's rank in World Digital Freedom Index 2025. What is the index of? What was the position of India? The rank is 57th. India's rank is 57th in the World Digital Freedom Index 2025. Question number 9. By which year did India announce the full implementation of the National Carbon Trading Market? Right? Very important question, this one. National Carbon Trading Market was fully implemented by which year and has been announced by India till 2027. The target year is 2027, right? In which country is COP30 going to be held? COP30 is COP. COP30 is going to be held in which country? Brazil. Brazil is a South American country, right? Brazil is a South American country. Question number 11. Which Indian scientist received the Global Climate Leadership Award? Climate. Which personality is known? Sunita Narayan, right? Correct answer is Sunita Narayan, which has received Global Climate Leadership Award in 2025 during, I think, during first week of December 2025. With which country did India recently sign the Blue Economy Innovation Pact? Right? Blue Economy Innovation Pact has been signed between India and Seychelles. India and Seychelles. Which organization released AI in Healthcare 2030 roadmap? WHO. WHO has released this one. Which state launched Mission Zero textbook weight in 2025? The correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Mission Zero textbook weight in 2025 has been launched by Tamil Nadu. Question number 15. The new nano fertilizer technology launched in India in December 2025 is based on what? Is based on Nano Urea 3.0. Nano Urea 3.0. Who released the Financial Stability Report December 2025? Who released? Financial Stability Report was released by RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Who released India Space Innovation Index? Who released India Space Innovation Index? Niti Aayog. The correct answer is Niti Aayog. The correct answer is Niti Aayog, right? Which state of India was declared the first quantum agriculture farming zone in 2025? Gujarat. Correct answer is Gujarat. Which country established Global Ocean Cleanup Satellite Network in 2025? Correct answer is Japan. According to which report, India will become the third largest digital economy in the world in 2025? This report has been published by which one? Which organization? So this report has been published by Global Digital Economy Outlook, under which India has been become the third largest digital economy, right? India has become the third largest digital economy in the world. India assumed the presidency of which organization for 2026? Very important questions, right? Question number 21 is very important. BRICS plus presidency come to India for 2026. Which ministry launched India AI Compute Grid 1.0? Right? Ministry of Electronics and IT. India AI Compute Grid 1.0. Question number 23. Which country launched AI passport system for tourists in December 2025? UAE. Correct answer is UAE. On which route did India's first solar hydrogen hybrid train run? On which route? Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar route. Route is Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar, India's first solar hydrogen, right? India's first solar hydrogen hybrid train. Who released the Global Energy Transition Report 2025? IEA. IEA has released the Global Energy Transition Report 2025. Which agency launched National Drone Navigation Grid in India? Drone. In drone, you can correlate DGCA, Director General of Civil Aviation, Directorate General. Which country organized the Asian Cyber Defense Exercise? Right? South Korea. South Korea. Asian Cyber Defense Exercise in 2025, South Korea. Question number 28. Where did India launch the first AI-powered organ transplant registry in 2025? Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is Tamil Nadu. According to which report, India will become the third largest startup hub in the world in 2025? What will the correct answer? A startup genome report. According to a startup genome report, India will become the third largest startup hub in the world. Which Indian city joined the Global Clean Air Champions Network in December 2025? Right? The correct answer is Bengaluru. Which Indian bank launched the world's first quantum safe banking wallet in 2025? SBI has launched this. World's first quantum safe banking wallet. India's rank in World Talent Ranking. What is the rank of India in World Talent Ranking in 2025? 62nd. 62nd rank put India in World Talent Ranking 2025. With which country did India enter into semi-cryogenic engine R&D partnership? It's signed between India and Russia. Semi-cryogenic engine R&D partnership. Which sector attracted the highest FDI in India in December 2025? Many times such type of question has been asked in exam. So the correct answer is green energy. Correct answer is green energy. Which Indian state became the first state to launch cyber literacy mission in 2025? We have already discussed this question and the question is repeating. So the correct answer will be Kerala. Correct answer will be Kerala. Which Indian company was included in the top 20 global green innovators list in 2025? Tell me the name of the country. Top 10 global green. You can correlate with green to green. Which one is Adani Green? Correct answer is Adani Green. With which country did India sign an AI-enabled border monitoring pact in 2025? With Bangladesh. India signed with Bangladesh regarding AI-enabled border monitoring pact. India's position in World Food Innovation Index 2025. Position of India is 31st. Right? 31st. And the area is World Food Innovation Index. Which Indian scientist received the UNESCO Lifetime Innovation Medal in December 2025? Correct answer is Jagdish Shukla. Correct answer is Jagdish Shukla. Question number 40. Where did the India establish ocean mining test facility? Kochi. Where did India establish ocean mining test facility in 2025? Kochi. Which Asian country signed an agreement with India in December 2025 to adopt digital rupee? Right? The correct answer is Bhutan. Right? Bhutan has accepted Indian digital rupee. Right? Bhutan has accepted Indian digital rupee. Very important question. May be asked in. Question number 42. Which state launched India's first AI-powered state disaster prediction grid? Right? Uttarakhand is the correct answer. In which report India's GDP growth projection for 2025 was stated as 6.8%? Projection of which institutions? IMF, WEO has projected India's GDP growth as 6.8%, right? Which country launched the world's largest hydrogen aviation hub in December 2025? World's largest, right? France. France has launched the world's largest hydrogen aviation hub. Where in India was the Global Bamboo Summit held in December 2025? Bamboo Summit in Guwahati. Bamboo Summit in Guwahati. Global Bamboo Summit. Global. It's not national, it's Global Bamboo Summit. Guwahati. Which Indian ministry released the National Deepfake Prevention Guidelines 2025? Ministry of Electronics and IT. Ministry of Electronics and IT. Which country launched the Digital Silk Road 2.0 strategy in 2025? China. You can correlate the Silk Route from history, right? I think Kusan Empire was controlled the whole Silk Route. Which state of India was declared a zero-emission public transport city for the first time in December 2025? Correct answer is Chandigarh. Correct answer is Chandigarh. There are so many questions which are continuously being repeating. Which company launched the first AI-operated port terminal in India in 2025? DP World. DP World. Which organization released the India Employment Pulse report released in December 2000? The correct answer is CMI. Correct answer is CMI. So we will discuss lecture number 9 in two parts. First to 50 we have already completed. Question number 1 to 50 we have already completed, and rest of the question from 51 to 100 we will continue this in second part of the lecture 9. Right? So thank you so much for lecture. Thank you.